maker caters to all your ice needs swiftly. 43 dB low noise. Vivid Moo's Nugget Ice Machine Maker utilizes advanced compressor technology, offering an impressive 43 dB, lower than most competitors. It's perfect for use in small or crowded spaces like studio apartments, RVs, or office kitchens, where noise levels are a concern. Whether you're making crushed, pellet, or soft sonic ice, its quiet electric mechanism ensures minimal disruption. For buy this product, click in the description. Compact yet powerful, it is 8.50 by 11.22 by 12.60 inches, comparable to an A4 sheet of paper, perfect for any countertop, table, or under-counter space. Its small, portable size, coupled with a convenient handle, ensures easy placement and movement. This design is perfect for small kitchens, RVs, office spaces, or anywhere you need efficient ice making without taking up much space. Whether on a counter or under a tabletop, its deluxe features in a small form factor are impressive. Infrared sensor to prevent overflow. Equipped with a precise infrared sensor, this ice maker automatically prevents ice overflow, maintaining a clean and efficient operation. This sensor is especially useful in managing the ice level, ensuring the basket never